Hi mga palangga! Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to cook a Pansit bihon or bami in Ilonggo, which we won't gonna use meat, or should we say we gonna cook it without any meat and it's meatless. Charot. So you wanna know how? Keep on watching and I appreciate you all. Thank you. Mwah. So mga palangga, ito ang ating kompletong mga sangkap. Red, green, yellow bell peppers. We have spring onions, carrots. We have some lettuce since wala tayong cabbage, onion and garlic. We have mushrooms. And yes, that's how what we need. And of course, kailangan natin ng yellow noodles and yung bihon or sutanghon. It depends on what you prefer. So now, since it's meatless, we're gonna use egg. So I have like 3 to 4 pieces of eggs. Scramble, then put some salt and pepper, and then we're gonna pre-cook it with butter. By the way, I put it with what do you call this? I always forget what to say. Ang hirap. Yung chili flake. So anyway guys, ayan, luto na yung ating eggs, and all you're gonna do is just keep on watching and follow what I do in making my bami. And I just want to share with you the secret ingredients on how to cook bami na hindi siya madaling mapanis. Or if you don't have fridge at home, you can apply it. Just use wine vinegar, any kind of vinegar that is available at home. Pero kung wala naman, don't stress over it. Kasi I know na pag pansit or bami na ang sasabi natin, I'm sure mauubos yan. And yes, so yun lang, and thank you for watching and I appreciate you all. Bye!